Stefano Devoti, Stefano Bosi Devoti from Italy. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I have a humanistic background, so I like writing, I write literature, and often in nature I'm writing with natural materials. And I see in this raspberry bush, pine needle a lot, tree, a place that according to the perspective is changing a lot. The title, the written, is Turning, and is about this shifting moment when you have a kind of enlightenment about what to do. And you can realize while you are working in the forest that eventually the tree are walking with you, having signs.